Of course. Oh, this is golden, bro. I'm getting all these people's reactions.
Like his final destination, Nike's fucking lacing, trying to hop the line. I'm sprinting in my head, boy, I ain't never pacing, just trying to make the time. Cause listen, it's hard liquor facing, no, we never chasing. Cause you know she stay inside my dreams, just like it's Freddy versus Jason. You know I made a promise to my mom that we would fucking make it, but first I had to cover up my sins, yeah, with a fucking blanket. Look, cause there's good times to come, good times to stay. I'm with all my friends and we gonna make today a special kind of day. Times come, but they fade away, and you won't see the light till it's in your face. And I promise you now you'll be okay. So it's made today.
Oh, that's a clean.
Good times come, but they fade away, and you won't see the light till it's in your face. And I promise you now you'll be okay. So it's made today our special day. And you know, it's probably been a month since I've called my mom. Sometimes I think that I should call her, cause I've been kinda distant. Oftentimes I reminisce on past times we had, but now I walk around the Arctic like I'm saving something.
I love that.
Oh no, so this is a Honda Civic 27,
Really?
30, 80, 80
Nice.
Rice Bucket Edition.
Rice Bucket Edition?
Rice Bucket Edition, yeah.
You got rice in the wheels
I'm
too?
gonna put a sticker that says Rice Bucket.
Dude, I know, like the wipers are gonna do anything. Look at the green Audi there. Dude, look at the green. This thing's clean. That is rap. That color.
Should I get a wing like this? Should I get a tabletop wing? We were eating on the Huracan wing yesterday.
Pop's like, is it stock? He pops the hood and it goes, no, it's American. Bored of all the slow cars already? That's a good one. Look at the plaid badge though. It's, oh, I didn't even, whoa. Is it yours? I love it. I'm a huge Porsche guy. Oh my God. Do you care if I sit in it? Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm in my glory. There's a lot of options on this car that you did.
This one here is all custom.
All custom.
The whole thing is customized.
That's awesome.
Nothing stock.
Nothing stock. I love it. Thank you for letting me sit in it. They got the matching wheels on the trailer, jet ski trailer. Okay. Oh, I found green. Is that a Miata? Maybe. might be a frog. Hashtag not sponsored. But you know, it would be cool to like have free drinks if you want to sponsor me. The same rear diffuser as me. Oh, he's got the stock exhaust though.
What noise is that?
That makes a. Doesn't make a. No, dude, I gapped an Evo yesterday. An Evo Huracan. I think it's like an 87, but the paint is just immaculate on this car. You can see through purple better than you can silver. Yeah. But I want to build one of these so bad. I want to get a Tacoma and build a huge rig. Off-road Tacoma would be like the perfect off-road build with a huge tent, ladder, lifted, everything. 6-speed, brand new Tacoma. It's in the works. Long time in the works. Oh, there's a pink Mark V over there. That's actually really clean. Next to the yellow over there.
Are you carrying around a microphone with you?
No.
You are?
No.
What is that? It's a microphone.
It's a PS4. Oh, the back and then the front. You got a dollar over here? Oh my god. Is that like tight?
Oh my god!
Oh my god. I don't know. A lot of people say it'd look better if the fender, like the fender liners were matched, but I don't know. It looks better with the white wheels on it, that's for sure.